All right, you have ONDS down. But, all right, I'm in my family member's account that I'm trying to fix. And I bought some ONDS in here. Let's see where we're at. Now, what? They had this, they did dilute, but I was reading on this here from Foxy FOMO, and they're going to say, when you're offering close the next day, you don't have time to reconsider. Definitely dilutive. 46 million shares for an existing 179 float is allowed, but at 325 they did well. And they didn't even really hit 325, which is nice. I think the lowest was 340. And you can see it there. So announce the price, underwritten public offering, and acquisitions of businesses or assets, joint ventures, or investment in businesses, products, or technologies. On is a granted underwriter's 30-day option. Close of its common stock. ONDS expects to close the offering subject to the satisfaction of customary conditions on August 14th or about. So you could say this was not a bad dilution. It did drop them because they were on a high. So now I have some ONDS in this one. And I had sold a little of the wolf to get it because this account is not mine. And while I'm running it, well, whatever, it's down today. I got to get this. Humusite fucked it. Horrible. I can't even express the horror. But you know what? We'll fix it. This, I'm going to wait for the TNXP to get approval. Then I'm going to sell. This could be a nice jump here. So TNXP, waiting for that non-opioid fibromyalgia. That I'm going to keep the UUUU as it is. And UEC, I'd sold a little bit of that. Probably shouldn't have, but whatever. No, wait, did I? Maybe I didn't. What did I sell? I sold something. Kinder Morgan I bought yesterday. 3 shares of it because that one has a nice dividend. Higher than BBU's dividend. So since it's going to be, I'm going to use this kind of like using dividends for penny stocks. So I'd like to have some dividends coming out of this that I can then go get the penny stocks. SNDL, I'm going to wait. And I wish this one had Tilray because the cannabis stocks in here are doing pretty nicely. That one's up 9%. I don't know. Maybe I should. I should maybe think about selling the cannabis stocks when... Jesus! I definitely should sell some of this one. I didn't realize Chronos went that up. Yeah, let's sell a little Chronos setup here. And then we can use it to buy more ONDS. How does that sound, people? We'll sell 33 shares of this one. Then we'll buy more ONDS. Because I think ONDS... Watch this go up. This is not even mine. I don't care. Wait. Make sure I'm selling it. Market order, sell. Okay. And then let's see. Let's do the ONDS. Let's throw more on ONDS. People, we should actually do a limit here and see if it goes down a little bit. Or, for the sake of time, I don't feel like coming back to this because it's not mine. I'm just going to buy it outright. I'm going to buy $87 worth of ONDS. Let's do it. Let's just make my family member a drone king. Watch it go down right now. Or maybe, for all we know, it goes up. They announce something. And then that would be amazing. And then I can start fixing this stupid account. Damn it, did I give the tip? I hope not. Not that time. Okay, so we'll see what happens with this. We have 19 minutes. Well, the good part is he doesn't look at this. So he's just giving it to me. All right, wait. You said we're keeping. And what is SNLD on? Because if they're... Let's see if they keep going higher. Ooh, this is excellent. How long has he been in these weed stocks? To have 10 shares? 449 days? Well, he's not keeping up with this stuff at all. That is not my fault here. I mean, God. All right, we'll fix this later. And like I said, we're going to start adding the dividends. Iova, I had sold some of Wolf. Why did I do that? Well, Wolf is a long road. Cooler has earnings soon. Good Lord, we'll see. Wouldn't it be nice if Cooler shoots him? If Cooler shoots on earnings, I'm going to sell out of Cooler because then they'll go down. I think other things... Drone stock stuff could be more promising for this account, but I do want to have the dividend. All right, anyways, that's what I did in that one today.